Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to set permission with the help of chmod command. So, in this presentation, we will understand how to permission is working and then we will do practical in our Linux system. So, you can see in the top of the screen, there are two files and one directory which is repository. In this directory, you can see the permission is divided by user, group and others. So for user permission RWX and group permission R-X and other permission R-X. So you can see here the permission RWX is defined by user, R-X is for the group and R-X it's for the user. You can divide it by like that RWX, RX and RX. So how you know this permission is there? So now you can see here 111. That means the all permission is given to this user. Then you can see in the group 101. 0 means there is no permission. 1 means the permission. So in the group given read permission and execute permission, and other also read permission and execute permission. If you will see like in the numeric mode, so it is 755. In the down you can see 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 0 means no permission, then 1 means execute permission, then another 2 write permission, then 3 write and execute permission, 4th read permission, 5th read and execute permission, 6th read and write permission, and 7 read write and execute permission. These all are permission. Okay. R equal read, user can read all files. W means write, user can write anything in the file. Execute, user can execute file and run file. Is there any script you want to run, so you have to give the execute permission to that user. So now you will see the symbol plus, minus and equal. What is this? Plus means you can add the permission, minus means you can remove the permission, or equal means it is for the replace. If you want to replace the permission to the user or the user or group or others, so you can replace. Then we will see the syntax with the command chmod, then option, then file name or directory. We will set we can set the permission with the two types. One is a symbolic mode and another is numeric mode. So now we will see in the our Linux system how to set a permission. So guys, I am in the my Linux system. So we will see here we have a two file. One is demo.txt and one is test.txt. Or you can see the permission for demo.txt read and execute for user, and group read and execute and other read and execute. Same. That means 555. Okay. And then you can see for the test read write execute, read and execute and read and execute. So now we will set a permission. First of all, the symbolic permission. So we will enter the symbol chmod command. Then if you want to give the permission to user, plus read write execute, enter file name. Now you can see the permission for the user. Look here, permission has been changes. So like that you can change any permission to the file or directory. So if you want to give user plus group execute only, enter. Now you can see, look, why execute command is already there, that's why it's updated. So we will change, we will update another permission. Write permission is not there, so we will give to write permission to the group. Okay, so enter. Then we will see look, write permission is updated here. Then we will give to the another also to the other. So we'll put the comma o plus write permission. Now we can see, look, here permission is updated, all permission is updated. Read write execute for user, read write execute for user, read write execute for group, and read write execute for the other user. Okay, now we will see the how to remove the permission. So chmod command again, user minus, we will remove the write command to demo file. Okay, now you can see in the demo write command is not there. Very simple is guys, it is very simple guys to add permission and remove permission. Same as like for the group also, g minus write, then comma o minus write. Now you will see the all groups write permission they don't have. Now you can see for the demo file the write permission is not there. So now we will see how to replace a permission. So we will add again chmod command, user equal read permission. Okay, and enter a demo. So now you will see demo file only have a read permission in user. Okay, look, before we have a read and execute permission, but we replace this permission with the read permission. So now it is now demo file have only read permission for the user. Like that we can replace all groups and other also. If we want to replace group, read and write permission, and other only execute permission. So we will check now. It should be chmod u equal r for read permission to the user, g equal rw for the group read and write permission, and o equal x for the other execute permission. So now we will check. Look here, read permission for the user, read and write permission for the group, and execute permission for the others. So guys, like that you can give the permission to the user. Okay, now we will see the numeric mode, how to set a permission. So for that also we have to add the chmod command. Now first we will see the permission with the test user. Now chmod, if I want to add the permission 5 to the test user, then I will add the 5. So now you can see for the, this is for the user 5, this is for the group, and this is for the others. So you will see now read and execute permission for the all. Look, read and execute permission here updated, read and execute permission, and read and execute permission for the group, user, and other user also. Okay, now we will change the permission chmod 755 for test. Now you can see updated here, read write execute and for the user, and read and execute for the group, and read and execute for the other group, other user. So guys, this is for today's how to set a permission in file and directory. If you like this video, please click on the like button, and if you didn't like this video, please click on the unlike button and put a comment on comment box, and subscribe our channel to watch more videos and click on bell icon. Thank you guys.